Hey, what's up everybody? It's Finance Made Easy now. Did you know that the average millionaire has 3.5 real estate investments in their portfolio? According to the National Association of Realtors, 76% of young professionals believe they need at least $100,000 to start investing in real estate. Today, I'm going to shatter that myth. I'll show you how young professionals are building real estate portfolios, starting with as little as $100, and why 2025 might be the perfect time to start your real estate investing journey. Here's a reality check. 67% of first-time real estate investors make a critical mistake in their first year. Stay until the end, because I'm going to reveal the 3 biggest pitfalls and exactly how to avoid them. Before we dive into specific strategies, let's understand what makes real estate such a powerful investment vehicle, especially for young professionals. According to Goldman Sachs' latest research, real estate has outperformed the S&P 500 by 1.3% annually over the past 30 years. Furthermore, 90% of millionaires include real estate in their investment strategy. Young professionals who start investing in their 20s and 30s are 3 times more likely to achieve financial independence. The real estate landscape has completely transformed in the last 5 years. Technology has democratized access to real estate investments. New investment vehicles have lowered barriers to entry significantly. The rise of remote work has dramatically changed property values and created new opportunities. Current interest rates have created unique opportunities in the market. Think of real estate investing like building a house. You need a strong foundation with 3 main pillars. The first pillar is appreciation, where your property value increases over time. The second pillar is cash flow from regular rental income. The third pillar consists of tax benefits, which provide significant advantages for property owners. Before we explore investment strategies, let's understand the essential financial metrics used in real estate investing. Internal rate of return, or IRR. This metric measures the profitability of an investment over time, taking into account the time value of money. It's the discount rate that makes the net present value of all cash flows equal to 0. Capitalization rate, or cap rate. This represents the potential rate of return on a real estate investment. It's calculated by dividing a property's net operating income by its current market value or acquisition cost. Debt to income ratio, or DTI. This ratio compares your monthly debt payments to your monthly income, helping lenders assess your ability to manage monthly payments and repay debts. Return on investment, or ROI. This measures the return on a real estate investment relative to its cost. It's calculated by dividing the gain from the investment by its cost. Net operating income, or NOI. This represents the annual income generated by an income-producing property after deducting operating expenses, but before considering debt service, income taxes, and capital expenditures. Debt service coverage ratio, or DSCR. This ratio measures a property's ability to cover its debt payments with its net operating income, calculated by dividing NOI by total debt service. Cash on cash return. This metric measures the ratio between annual pre-tax cash flow and the total cash invested, providing a more realistic return calculation for leveraged real estate investments. Let's explore 4 main ways young professionals can invest in real estate in 2025, starting with the lowest barrier to entry. Strategy 1. Fractional real estate investing. Remember when I mentioned you could start with $100? Modern platforms have revolutionized real estate investing. Platforms like R.E.I.T.s offer a minimum investment of just $10, with average annual returns of 9.47% between 2020 and 2024. They provide quarterly redemption options and invest in both commercial and residential properties. Another platform, R.E.I.T. Homes, requires a minimum investment of $100 and has delivered historical returns between 5.4% and 7.2%. They focus on single-family rentals and offer the advantage of direct property selection. Let me share a real example. Sarah, a 28-year-old software engineer, started with $500 on Fundrise in 2023. Her portfolio is now worth $847, generating $31 in quarterly dividends. The key to her success was automating $100 monthly investments, which helped her build a $4,700 real estate portfolio in just 18 months. Strategy 2. Real estate investment trusts, or R.E.I.T.s. R.E.I.T.s are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate properties. They're required by law to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders annually in the form of dividends. This makes them an excellent vehicle for generating passive income while maintaining the liquidity of publicly traded stocks. R.E.I.T.s currently offer an average dividend yield of 4.3% with historical appreciation of 6.1% annually. You can start investing with the price of just one share, often under $50, and they trade just like stocks on major exchanges. There are three main types of R.E.I.T.s. Equity R.E.I.T.s own and manage income-producing real estate properties. Equity R.E.I.T.s own and manage income-producing real estate properties. For example, Prologis, ticker symbol PLD, focuses on industrial properties and has delivered a 5-year average return of 11.2%. These R.E.I.T.s generate income primarily through rent collection and property appreciation. Mortgage R.E.I.T.s provide financing for real estate by purchasing or originating mortgages and mortgage-backed securities. They typically offer higher yields between 7 to 12%, but are more sensitive to interest rate changes. Annaly Capital, ticker symbol NLY, is a prominent example in this category. Hybrid R.E.I.T.s combine both strategies, owning properties while also providing real estate financing. Starwood Property Trust, ticker symbol STWD, exemplifies this balanced approach, offering investors exposure to both physical real estate and real estate debt instruments. Strategy 3. House hacking. House hacking might be the most powerful strategy for building wealth in your 20s and 30s. This strategy involves purchasing a multi-unit property, living in one unit, and renting out the others. The key advantage is that your tenants effectively pay your mortgage, allowing you to live with minimal housing expenses while building equity. Let's examine a real example from Austin. Michael purchased a duplex for $450,000 using an FHA loan with a down payment of just $22,500. His monthly mortgage payment is $2,800, but he receives $2,100 in rental income from the other unit. This reduces Michael's effective housing costs to just $700 per month. The Federal Housing Administration, or FHA loan program, makes house hacking particularly attractive for young professionals. These loans require only 3.5% down payment and must be for owner-occupied properties. You can purchase properties with up to 4 units, and current rates, as of February 2025, are 5.75%. This combination of low down payment and multi-unit potential creates an excellent opportunity for building wealth through real estate. Strategy 4. Direct property investment. For those ready to take the next step, Direct property investment offers the greatest control and potential returns. Let's analyze this strategy using the FIRE framework. Financials, infrastructure, region, and exit strategy. Consider this real-world example. A property purchased for $300,000 with a 20% down payment of $60,000 generates monthly rent of $2,800. After accounting for monthly expenses of $1,900, the property produces a cash flow of $900 per month, resulting in an annual ROI of 18%. Now let's examine the 3 most significant mistakes young investors make and how to avoid them. The first major mistake is poor market selection. Research shows that 72% of failed investments occur in declining markets. Successful investors carefully analyze population growth trends, job market diversity, income patterns, and development plans before making investment decisions. The second critical error is underestimating expenses. Professional investors follow the 50% rule, which suggests that approximately half of your rental income will go toward expenses. These expenses include property taxes, insurance, maintenance, vacancy costs, and property management fees. Failing to account for these costs can quickly turn a seemingly profitable investment into a financial burden. The third mistake is over-leveraging. To avoid this, successful investors maintain a debt-to-income ratio under 36%. Keep 6 months of expenses in reserves. Use conservative rent estimates, and always have multiple exit strategies prepared. This conservative approach helps weather market downturns and unexpected expenses. Let's create a practical roadmap for getting started in real estate investing based on your current financial position. If you're starting with $100 to $1,000, begin by opening a Fundrise account and setting up automated monthly investments. Reinvest all dividends to accelerate your portfolio's growth. Use this time to study markets and prepare for future direct investment opportunities. For those with $1,000 to $10,000 available, focus on building a diversified R.E.I.T. portfolio while saving for a potential house hack. Join local real estate investment groups and start building relationships with real estate professionals, including agents, lenders, and property managers. If you have $10,000 or more to invest, start analyzing house hacking opportunities in your area. Build relationships with multiple lenders to understand your financing options. Develop a systematic approach to market analysis and prepare for direct property investment by creating a strong team of real estate professionals. Real estate investing isn't about getting rich quickly. It's about building lasting wealth through smart strategic decisions. Whether you're starting with $100 or $100,000, the key is to begin now and scale your investments intelligently. Remember that every successful real estate investor started exactly where you are today. The difference between success and failure often comes down to taking informed action and learning from experience. Please hit subscribe and click the notification bell to ensure you don't miss any new videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below about which strategy interests you most, and I'll personally respond. Until next time, keep crushing your financial goals.